In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log time using the time tracking feature in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing a team or keeping track of your own hours, understanding how to efficiently log time can help streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Let's dive right in. Once you're logged into Zoho Books, you'll want to start on the main dashboard. From here, navigate over to the time tracking option on the left-hand menu. This section is specifically designed for managing and recording time-related entries, making it an ideal tool for both individuals and project managers. Now, let's click on Timesheet in the same left-hand menu. This page is where you'll see a comprehensive log of all time entries associated with various tasks and projects. It's a handy feature for getting a clear view of how time is being utilized across different activities. To begin tracking time, you'll notice a Start button for the timer. When you click this button, the timer will initiate, allowing you to track time as you work. This is particularly useful when you need precise timestamps for when you started and ended a specific task. You can also click on Start Timer, providing another way to activate the time tracking function. As you progress through your tasks, you can manage your time by pausing the timer if there's an interruption, or if you need to shift focus momentarily. Once you resume your activity, simply click on the Start button again to pick up where you left off. When you've completed your task, click Stop to finalize the time entry. Next, you'll want to associate your time entry with a project. Click on Select a Project to choose the specific project from your ongoing list, ensuring that your tracked time is correctly allocated. Following this, choose a task by selecting Task Name. This ensures that the time entry aligns with the correct task within your project. If you need to adjust or end the task, click on Stop to halt the current time entry. If you prefer to log time manually, you can do so by clicking on New Log Entry. This allows you to set a specific date and fill in other relevant details. You can then set the date for when the activity took place and select the project name to ensure everything is correctly categorized. To refine further, click on Task Name and input the time spent. If your preference is to input a duration instead, Enter Time Duration provides this flexibility. When adding users or team members to a task, you can do so by clicking on User. This is great for collaborative projects where multiple team members are logging time on the same task. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, click on Save to finalize your time entry. This ensures that your efforts are stored and accounted for. Remember, frequently logging and reviewing your time entries helps keep projects on track and budgets in check. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of the time tracking feature in Zoho Books. Feel free to subscribe for more tutorials and guides. Until next time, happy tracking!